Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying your day. Thank you so much for taking this time to stop by the channel. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and if you are new to watching the channel, I do welcome you and I hope you consider subscribing, and thank you to all of my returning subscribers for coming back and for your continued support. So we are already in the month of March. We're like 10 or 11 days by the time this video posts into the month, but I do have a lot of plans for this month, so I still want to share those plans with you. So I hope you are interested, and let's get started. So this month I plan to make 8 items. Yes, 8 items. I usually don't make that many items in one month, but I am making more this month because I am sewing for a series that I am currently working on, and I am going to be working on my spring break and spring vacation type clothing because I am going to be taking a vacation for spring break, and I wanted to whip up some items that would fit for that trip as well. So let's talk about what I plan to make for that. So last month, myself and Rochelle of Rochelle.Handmade Designs were in conversation, and from that conversation we birthed a series titled 5 and Below. The series began last Sunday, which was March 6th, and it will run through Sunday, April 10th. And in this series, Rochelle and I are showcasing a total of 10 garments that you will only need 5 pattern pieces or less to make your finished product. So I will present 5 patterns and Rochelle will present 5 patterns as well. There is so much more information about this series, so I'm just giving you a brief description of what the series is. So I will link to the information video that I made in the card above, and I will put it in the description box below. But with that being said, I will be making 4 of those 5 garments that I'm contributing to this month for that series. I already have one made, which is Simplicity 9189, and it's a knit wrap jacket, and I posted that video last Sunday, and I also posted photos on Instagram if you want to go check it out. But yes, I will be making an additional 3 garments for that series, and I will announce what they are on the day that they post. But remember, they will only have 5 pattern pieces or less, so you definitely want to stay tuned into that series so you can see what they are. So for my next plan, I plan to make Simplicity 8379, which is a cute little dress that is good for spring and summer. I have made this before, but that was a long time ago and I can't wear it anymore, but I so loved how I looked and felt in that dress. I just felt fabulous. Not only did I enjoy the dress itself, but you only need 3 pattern pieces to make it, okay? I didn't include the pattern in the series that I'm doing, the 5 and Below series, because that pattern is out of print, but I did see several copies of this pattern at Joann's because I went to check it out in the drawers, and they're selling on Amazon and eBay, I believe, so it's available until it is no longer. But I definitely wanted to make this dress for my vacation because I just love it, and it's quick and easy and all of the above. So yes, that's part of my plan. I am super torn with which fabric I want to use to make this dress. I have this beautiful fuchsia with white polka dot fabric that I purchased a while back, but I absolutely love it. And I was thinking of using that fabric, but I also have this orange colorway fabric with like some florals and swirls and different designs that I have right here that I was thinking of using too, because I don't know, I just can't decide on which fabric to use. But you know, I'll figure it out when it's time to cut it. You know, decisions. If you have a preference, you can leave it in the comments below so that I can consider that. But either way, I am making that dress. Absolutely love it. Sews up easy, wears easy. Win-win for me. Now, as mentioned earlier, I am taking a spring break vacation, and I don't like to carry purses when I travel because I already have so many bags with me already, like the diaper bags and the laptop bags, and you know, a purse is just the last thing that I want to keep track of. So I like to wear fanny packs, and I like to wear them because you can just strap it on. You know, you don't have to worry about carrying it. It's on your body. And I do have a fanny pack, but I've had it for some time and there's nothing wrong with it, but I've never enjoyed my store-bought fanny pack as much as I have enjoyed wearing the fanny packs that I have made myself. And I need to make one for myself for this trip because the zippers have broken in all the ones that I have made because I overstuffed them and the zippers are just not strong enough. So this time I will be using a more heavy duty zipper because I continue to overstuff my fanny packs. Anyway, with that being said, I plan to make the Annie pack, which is a pattern that was designed by Legionnaire Barnes, and I have made at least 20 to 25 of these. I've made 3 for myself and the rest as gifts, and everyone just absolutely loves these, and I understand why, because I love mine too. Not only are they used as fanny packs, but they can be used as like the crossbody type purses because of how they are designed. And the fabric that I plan to use for this make, it's going to be 2 because I'm going to contrast it. So there's a shorter part on the top, and I'll put a picture in of the line drawing so that you can see, or either a photo of one already made, but there's a contrasting well, you can contrast it because it's divided by the zipper. So on the top portion I am going to use this leopard court, and it has sparkles of gold in it. I'm not sure if you can see it. I will try to make it focus. I think this is gorgeous, and it's so me. So on the bottom I plan to use either this like burgundy-ish vinyl or the dark brown vinyl. Here's the brown with the leopard, and here's the red. So I like both ideas. Again, torn, but I want to go ahead and get started on this, so I need to make a decision. So those are going to be my choices. Just like with the other fabric, you can leave a comment in the comment section just below and let me know what you think about that. So yeah, so for my next plan, I plan to make the Allison tent dress, and that pattern was designed by Jazz of So Much Jazz on Instagram, and her website is Desiree Patterns. And I actually wanted to make this dress for the BHM Pattern Designers Challenge, but I didn't get around to it because it wasn't warm enough. I don't like to take indoor photos, and it was just way too cold outside to even like play it off while taking pictures. I would have just probably froze to death taking photos outside. So I put this pattern off to the side because I just figured I can make it, you know, whenever, some other time. But I am going to revisit that this month because I want to wear this during vacation. However, it is warming up, and I plan to make this at the end of the month, so it should be even more warm to take the photos and be comfortable. However, I'm going all the way south for vacation, so I know this dress is going to be absolutely perfect for that. And the fabric that I am going to use is this fabric that I had picked up from Joann's, and I can't remember off the top of my brain what the name of this is, but I will put it down in the screen so that you can see what it is. But here is the fabric here. So yeah, it has sketches of faces, and this is 100% cotton fabric. And so I've always liked the faces fabric that I have seen on like Mood's website, and I'm happy that Joann's is starting to get more of those types of fabrics. They're catching up with the trends of different fabrics, because I really like it. I enjoyed it, but the price that Mood was, no, I wasn't paying that. So they do have a lot of this fabric in stock, and they do have this type of fabric in knit. So I wanted to make a cotton dress, and that is what I picked up. So for the next make, I am going to be making McCall's 6548, and I am going to make the button down shirt on this pattern for my son's 4-year-old birthday party. He wants a bowling party at the bowling alley. So, you know, of course I said yes. Gotta say yes to the kids. And I want to make him a little bowling shirt for his party to go along with the theme. So I went online and I found this Robert Kaufman bowling fabric. Look at this. Look how cute this is. I chose this pattern because it's an easier one to use, and it's more of a relaxed fit, so he can move around comfortably in it. But you know, I am going to make him a different shirt for his birthday photo shoot, but I won't be doing that until next month because I have a lot going on right here. But for now, this will be his birthday shirt, and I couldn't believe that I found this. And let's see, the bowling pins are about 2.5 inches long. You see it up against my hand. So yeah, they're very nice and visible, and I'm absolutely excited about making this shirt for him, and I'm sure he's going to be excited too. So that is it for my plans. Yes, 8 different items. I do know that that's a lot, but most of the patterns are beginner friendly and they don't require a lot of time to make. So I should be okay. At least I hope. Well, I hope you liked this video and my plans for the month of March. If you did, you already know what to do. Take a pause for the calls and click the like button and click the subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you could be notified of future videos, and let me know in the comments below your thoughts about my plans and my fabric. Just let me know. I'm here. I'm here to listen. Please stay tuned for Sunday, this Sunday, as Rochelle and I present our second makes for our 5 and below series. It has been so much fun. I've truly enjoyed the interaction that I've been having in the comment sections with everyone. Please keep that up. Love it. It just boosts the momentum even more. But yes, I am excited to present to you another pattern, and Rochelle is too, so please stay tuned so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your continued support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!